Should I para?
Yeah.
Oh, para. Kuya, para. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Damn, that was my first jeepney experience.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Pinoy Life in La La Land. This is your friendly host, Ren Luna. Living in the Philippines is really exciting and amazing. Like its public transportation system that is really fun because you have lots to choose from or marami ka talagang pagpipilian. You have the taxi cab, pedicab, tricycle, bicycle, Metro Rail Transit, bus transit, and the one and only PUJ or Public Utility Jeep or what we call jeepney. That only in the Philippines, this public vehicles is visible because only here in the Philippines it is available. That's why, come on, let's go, let's hop in. Tara na, sakay na. Where this type of transport is cool, kahit saan ay raratsada. Philippine jeepney is classic and truly iconic. Walang katulad, walang kagaya, and really historic. Dahil sa husay and creativity ng Pinoy after ng giyera, ang abandonadong patapong sasakyang iniwan ng Amerika. Pinoy made it better, pinaganda, and now ay super iconic jeepney na. Kaya nga mga friendship, mga beshi, tara let's na! Sa pasahing kayang-kaya ng bulsa mo, maski sa heaven, makakarating ka! Dito sa jeepney, during the ride, merong protocol kang dapat sundin. When you are closer to the driver, taga-abot ka ng bayad, taga-abot ng sukli din. Well, pwede mo ding i-ignore, kunyari di mo narinig. Kaso, baka makarma ka at pagbaba mo ay madapa ka. Kaya, makisama ka, my dear Beshi. Iabot mo na pasahin ni Lola. Dito kay mamang driver, who knows? Kung matuwa sa'yo, baka malibre ka pa. Ang mga eksena sa jeep habang umaarangkada, most likely, I'm pretty sure you have experienced them ng bonggang-bongga. I'm pretty sure ang na-experience mo merong pangit, meron ding maganda, merong makulit na pasahero, mukhang mabait pero di ka sigurado on his motive, on his approach, kaya you can't be blamed kung doubtful ka. Meron namang super friendly na halos gustong makipagkilala, who tries to make you comfortable with gentle talks and with all smiles pa. Kung need mo ng afam at jowa material naman siya, go ahead, my dear Beshi. Respond ka na sa kingdom niya.
Or daycare? Daycare, okay. And she's probably 4.
Yeah.
That's a good age. Did you get a lot of stars? Did you get some stars today? No? Okay.
Huwag ka nang magulat, masorpresa at masindak pa sa mga dialogue sa jeep kasi tatawa at baka mautot ka pa. Gaya ng pasaherong si ate, sabi niya, Kuya, kantutin niyo po ako. Ganon din yung katabing si tita, ang sabi ay, kantutin niyo din daw siya. At sa kanto 10, mga pasahero ay pumara. May sumigaw pa na para sa kantutan lang po ako, kuya. Hoy, huwag kang bastos, huwag madumi ang isip mo. Kasi ang Kanto Tinyo, Kanto Ten at Kanto Span. Yan ay mga pangalan ng kalye at mga kanto dito sa metro. Huwag kayong bastos. Sa loob ng jeep, huwag kang maarte sa pag-upo. Umayos kayo, ate at kuya. Konting ibig para magkasya. Kung overweight and oversized ka, dapat sana doble bayad ka. Lahat kayong pasahero, treatment ni driver ay dapat pareho. Basic fare is 13 pesos. Be ready when you hop in. Ibayad mo kay bossing driver. Keep the change is pwede rin. Kung bumaba ka nang di nagbayad, deliberate man or intentional. Bahala na si Lord sa iyo. Thanks na lang kung ma-realize mo. Mas convenient ang mag-ride sa jeep, pero hassle kung may traffic. Sa angkas motorcycle, safety issue is nakakapanik. Ma-traffic man, mabagal man, basta safety issue is walang kaso. Kaya sa jeep na lang ang preference ko at choice ko sa daily commute ko. It feels good to be seated in the front seat. It's awesome to see the view. It feels good not to be squeezed ang legs mo against sa pasaherong katabi mo. Especially kung matataba ang sumakay at pinipilit ni bossing driver na gawing 10-seater na ang dapat sana ay 8-seater. Oh my God! Sa jeepney driver, para-paraan din para kumita ka ng bongga. Kailangan mautak ka sa paghakot ng pasaherong ikakarga. There are many times itong si driver para mapuno ang jeep niya. Wait lang siya kay passengers kahit naliligo pa sila. Oh my God! Kakabwisit yung ganyang style. Lalo't nagmamadali ka. Hoy! Bossing driver! Ano na? Tara! Let's go! Let's go na!
13, okay. Thank you.
This is Jeep.
Ganyan sa mga jeepney kapag sumakay ka. Yan ang mga eksena. Nakakatuwa, nakakainis, nakaka-challenge talaga. But that's life of Pinoys here in our motherland. More challenges and more fun kung Philippine jeepney ang iyong sasakyan.
Should I para? Para. Kuya, para. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Damn, that was my first jeepney experience and I became the cashier.
Sa Kanto Tinyo ka man bababa o sa Kanto Tan, please make sure lang na wala kang hindi mo nalimutan. Especially ang bayad mo para sa pasahe mo kay bossing driver na need ng boundary, kaya bilisan mo!
Going by Avenida?
What?
Does this jeepney go by Avenida or no?
Not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you going back?
I don't know. Just got in. Where are you going?
Retiro.
Huh?
Retiro.
That car?
Probably 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. You need to tell your husband to buy you an e-bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think
Next time.
Yeah, you need an e-bike. Hard to ride jeepney every day, you know.